It is a privilege to be talking at an event on startups. This event is a testament of India's ability to take the lead and further build our strength in the post COVID world. Friends, India embarked on an ambitious Startup India program on the clarion call given by our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. This program is started with the objective of harnessing the young talent, the spirit of innovation and entrepreneurship ingrained in the Indian ethos. Startup India was based on three major pillars. First, simplification and handholding. Second, funding and incentives. And third, incubation and industry academia partnerships. Friends, our government is acutely conscious that startups, being the latest in trends in the defense manufacturing sector, required that extra push. With this aim in view, we have taken many steps to foster and encourage this partnership with private industry. I would like to highlight some of them, like opening up the patents and laboratories of DRDO to private industry, setting up of young scientist labs in niche technology areas, programs like Innovation for Defense Excellence, Defense India Startup Challenge, and IDEX for Fauji, etc. Dear friends, our commitment to ensure that technology developed by the Startup Ecosystem Act as force multipliers to the Indian military operational and combat capabilities. This has been highlighted in the latest version of the Defense Acquisition Procedure 2020. This allows startup to participate in Make in India forums and also reserve projects up to rupees 100 crore for micro, small and medium enterprise. Friends, I have been informed that Startup Manthan 2021 is being organized by Innovations for Defense Excellence Defense Innovation Organization as an annual flagship event dedicated to showcase innovations and technological developments in defense sector. It brings together the startups, MSMEs, the corporate and military representatives to identify way forward and to further strengthen the partnership. Friends, as you are aware, IDEX was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister in April 2018 with the core aim to create corporate models for Indian defense needs. Such needs were to identify emerging technologies, connect innovators to military units, facilitate co-creation, and create pathways for incorporation of cutting-edge technologies into weapon systems used by our armed services. Friends, the Startup Manthan is going to provide a unique opportunity for startups to showcase their capabilities, products, and services to the targeted audience of industry leaders and business decision makers. Also, I believe the productive interactions with renowned national and international speakers, mentors, and thought leaders will provide learning opportunity to all those present here.
I request Honorable Raksha Mantri to launch and unveil the IDEX dashboard by clicking on the button.
Startup Manthan 2021 recognizes young startup entrepreneurs across the country who took up the challenge of bringing up solutions and innovative products for the defense and aerospace sector.
I'm here at the pavilion where we have exhibitors who won the Manthan Startup Challenge 2021. Here is a rocket. Let's find about what the company does.
So at Skyroot, we build rockets for launching satellites to space, especially focusing on launching small satellites, below 500 kilograms. So this is a 1:10 model of our rocket, which we are planning to launch by the end of this year. And these are some of the engines which will go into the rocket, which are successfully built and tested last year.
A rocket can be this small as well, or is this a prototype?
So this is just a prototype.
This is a prototype.
This itself is a 1:10. So this will be it is 10 times bigger than this.
Okay.
Yeah. The actual rocket is 10 times bigger than this.
Right. So other than ISRO, who manufactures rockets for the country, are you one of them in the league, or there are many people in this area?
Yeah. First few in this sector, one of the leading people in this segment. Among very few, there are very few private startups. It just started. In fact, the sector has opened up very recently to the private players. We are one of the first.
Drones are a wonderful innovation, but they can also become a menace if they are illegal, especially to our soldiers on the battlefield if the drones are running around, and that can really tense them. But now we have a counter drone system. What is this? It almost looks like a gun. Tell us more about this.
This is the gun which is indigenously designed and developed, and it works for 3 kilometers. So you can point the gun at the direction of the drone, which is illegal, and just press a button within 30 seconds. The drone will fly, just drop like hot potatoes from the sky. And this will actually make sure that our soldiers not only are protected by the drones, but at the same time you can keep the area safe for VIPs and even the your critical areas.
So this has a 3 kilometer range, and it just works like a gun.
It works like.
So what is it? Is it a laser, or what's out of it?
It emits the RF, and it actually takes out the entire navigation, communication and data link for the drone. So drone is just left, wandering in the sky.
Well, Aero India 2021 has kept me so busy waking up in the morning that I have no time to work out. This is not a dumbbell, it is actually a very lightweight motor. I'm here with the founders of this little design here. Tell us a little bit about your product.
We are a young startup, and we started developing motors and unmanned ground vehicles for last 2 years. And we came up with our own indigenous axial flux BLDC motor that you can see here. So the thing is, like, it can be fitted to any Honda Activa or Jupiter. So it can make the vehicles to run at around 100 kilometers an hour. It can give you 6 kilowatt of power, and it's very lightweight. That you can. The competitor motor which is available in the market will weigh you around 8 to 9 kilograms, and this one is just 4 kilograms, and it has a peak capacity of up to 6 kilowatt range, so you can even connect with this with the gearbox.
So it looks really small, but you have pictures of tankers there. Can that also work on running something that huge?
So you can see here we have a planetary gearbox, so the torque from this motor will be drastically increased to up to 10 times using that. Since the axial length is very less, so you can create a gearbox and you can directly fit with the wheels. So the compactness will be maintained and you can directly fit on it. So you will be reducing the differentials, CVTs and everything. So it will give you more power. So you can RPM will be reduced. So that's the concept.
Right.
So and the weight is less. So you can directly fit with the wheels.
Yes.
So that's the advantage of using our motors.